Good morning. Today is June 29 and it's my breakfast time, but today I'm gonna be doing differently because today is the first day that I'm going to do some experimentation on my sweet delights. So today I'm going to do some unboxing and let's see what we can find out. Alright, that's my box. And I'm gonna get some cotton. Alright. Alright, let's see. Okay. Alright, so okay, cool. So I am sure you know some of this stuff here. So I'm just gonna lay it down in my bed. Alright, so I've got Oreos, eggnog, okay, some Kit Kat and chocolates mix. Alright, can you guess what I'm going to do? Cocoa Crunch. Alright, some Marie Biscuits. You know Marie Biscuits. I love this. When I was a kid, it has like small packets of biscuits. Alright, some bread. Another bread of cream coming from Cream O. Alright, okay. Graham. Alright, can you guess what I'm going to do now? Alright, so I have here a lot of sweet stuff. Okay. Okay, I have ube condensed milk. I have the normal Alaska, some syrup. Okay. Alright. So I think by now you would know what I'm going to do. Alright, and of course a tissue to make me clean. I also got some peaches, some blueberry, and what's this? Okay, some red ruby. So you see the packet there. All right, so I'm gonna do some testing on creating cake floats with Graham, and possibly I can also do some work on cheesecake. I'm only thinking, but hopefully it will come out really great. So I think as a start, I'm gonna put this stuff and my milk for some refrigeration, because before doing any cream-based cream or icing or anything to do with cold cakes or what, you have to really put it on the refrigerator like at least 3 to 4 hours before you start it. Okay, so let's see. I'll go to the kitchen now and just put them on there. Thank you.